Today we're going to take a look at some LED grill bezels that we're going to install on the C8 Z06. So let's get started with this video. So thanks again for tuning in, guys. And like I said, we are going to be checking out these LED grill bezels right here that go on your C8 Z06 or ERAY. It comes from Extreme Online Store, or EOS for short, and sells for about $800, which is not so bad of a deal considering that these are full-on carbon fiber pieces with LED grill bezels installed into them. So it's going to be really, really nice when these pieces are installed. They'll be installed like they're daytime running lights when they're on and have a nice glow to them while you're driving. And then also work as extra lighting for turn signals when you have your turn signals on. So I'm actually really excited to see these things in action. They look super, super good. And the finish on them is pretty freaking spot on for the price that you're getting on these. They aren't the biggest carbon fiber piece that I've shown on the channel, but functionally wise, this is going to be the first functional pieces that are showing that not only look good, but actually have like some LED lights going on. So I'm actually really excited to try these out from Extreme Online Store and see how they go. And the process to install these is pretty straightforward. These are plug-and-play pieces that literally take power from your headlights. So it already has the actual brackets in here, so there's no soldering or anything of that sort. You literally just plug the power supply from the headlights onto this. This then can plug back into your headlight and also plug to power these LEDs. So no kind of soldering, very plug and play, easy kind of deal. You do need to take the front bumper off in order to be able to install these, which I'll show it like kind of in the video. I've done multiple times of taking off that front bumper. So if you've seen some of my previous videos, you know how that process looks like. It is definitely something that you could DIY yourself in your garage so long as you have the right tools, but it's also something that any kind of shop should be able to install for you. So in any case though, I think that hits the gist of what is going on with these pieces, but really to show how these are, we got to get these on the car. So let's get these installed onto the C8 Z06 and show you how it really looks. So alrighty guys, so we have finished installing the daytime running lights onto the C8 Z06 and they came out freaking fantastic. They have that nice slim feature on them that it's not chunky looking LEDs. It just looks like it's supposed to be there from the get-go. Honestly, it really should have come with this straight from factory, because I mean, it just looks factory how well this looks. And the lights are pretty bright. You can definitely see them both in the day and especially at night. And they're about the same kind of brightness as your actual day running lights that are built into the headlights. They give you about the same brightness, and they're actually very close in tone in regards to color. So I actually also can appreciate that as well. So if you're wondering, are these gonna be like a little bit dimmer or a little bit brighter? They're about the right brightness compared to the headlights. So I can appreciate that EOS has taken that extra detail and gotten the brightness at the right level and the right color especially. So now the install for this wasn't too bad. It was just a little bit time consuming. Again, you have to take that front bumper off in order to be able to install these two like pieces essentially, and it took me the better part of a day to do it all by myself, kind of deal, with my wife helping me just take off and on the bumper kind of deal, because it's just better with a second set of hands. But in general, I mean, it is definitely doable, as you saw in the video, to do from home, but also at the same time, it can definitely be done at any shop. It's plug and play. The wire harnesses work really, really well. I still have full functionality, as you can see, of not only just the daytime running lights, but the actual turn signals themselves. Right now I have the hazards on, as you can see on the Z06, just so I can show how it looks, and it looks freaking fantastic. I love how that looks. It's really funny. It's one of those mods that you don't expect to like really be much, but at the end when you put it on, you're like looking at it and you're like, wow, that really does look really nice. So I actually had similar LED running lights on my old C8 Stingray that I did enjoy. I thought they actually looked really, really good. So when it came to these, I thought, oh, okay, yeah, it's gonna, look just as good. But honestly, I think this looks even better. This looks like it's true factory, especially with that slim profile on the LEDs. It just looks really, really good. So again, if you're interested in this product, I'll have a link in the description so you could check it out. Definitely would recommend this piece. I think it is definitely a showstopper type piece, especially at night. But yeah, I think that is going to wrap up today's video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos, and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.